carefully preserved. The roads are narrow and winding. Chaparral covers the hillside, pleasant enough to look at, but if it should ever catch fire, 1 acre of this brush would burn like 2,000 gallons of gasoline.
The chaparral, or the native bushes and brush that grows here, have, through the God knows how many years, developed the ability to survive without any water. And the way they do that is to store oil in their systems.
This mesquite that we have here, this oily bush that grows on the hillside, is literally packed with oil. And it gets to the point where it quite literally explodes.
The brush is at its driest and most explosive in the late fall, which is precisely the season when the hot Santa Ana wind blows in from the desert.
It's, I guess, like a Mistral or the Arabian Khamsin, or those kind of hot winds that are supposed to drive men mad, and the legionnaires, remember, go bury themselves in the sand or flee out into the desert, that kind of thing.
You must understand that flames can move through the brush in Southern California at the same speed at which the wind is blowing, and we get 60 and 70 mile an hour winds in those fires.
I have seen it outrun a deer, and deer are quite swift.
People accept high risk of fire as a small price to pay for the pleasures of living in Bel Air.